What's up, y'all? So your girl just received her ring light, so y'all know what that means, right? Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys don't know, or if you're new to my channel, let's like, comment, subscribe, okay? And second, your girl just received her ring light. Oh my gosh, like this ring light is about to go crazy. I've been waiting on this for a very long time. It took me about 3 weeks to receive this, okay? So that's a very long time compared to like what normal shipping rate used to be like before COVID. But yeah, let's just get into it. Let me show you guys this ring light and let's just, you know, let's get it popping. Alright, y'all, so I just unboxed it and I got this this stand, y'all. Okay, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but this ring light about to get put up today. I know that. How you do this? Y'all, I'm like terrible at putting things together. I'm not trying to break nothing, y'all. I just got this. Oh, shucks now. So this is what the ring light's supposed to look like. It's supposed to come with like a remote control so that I can like adjust the lighting and everything. Let's just get into making this. Ready to see what this ring light's talking about. So I think this little piece right here, I'm able to put my camera up here and just attach it to right here, and you know, I'll be able to record videos and everything like that. So this piece right here will probably, my content about to be crazy. This is the little the socket where I can place my phone and hold it while I'm recording my videos and stuff. So let's put that right here. And it's adjustable too, y'all. So now let's just turn this bad boy on.
A few moments later.
Alright, so y'all ready? I just plug up the ring light. Let's see what this light is talking about. Let's see, y'all. Let's see. Okay. Alright. Alright, so this is where I can like change it to different like settings and like different modes and stuff for the lighting. And this is like to turn the brightness down or turn it up. So I'm gonna do a comparison. I'm gonna put my camera up on here and show you guys what it looks like while my camera is up here. Yes, yes. This ring light is crazy. I'm so happy I bought it. It was really cheap. You know, you don't need to spend an arm and a leg on a ring light. Just enough to where you share videos and your pictures looking, you know, good enough. But you don't have to spend an arm and a leg on a ring light. So I'm gonna put all the information down below about where I got this ring light from. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.